Hello from the Anti-Bias Educator. We would like to invite educators of all stripes and roles to join us for a special, more than your average book club, 2-day workshop series, grounded in Ijeoma Oluo's So You Want to Talk About Race. This series will take place starting on February 15th at 4 p.m. and will continue on March 15th at 6 p.m. Eastern. The purpose of this workshop series is to help build anti-bias, anti-racist educator community of practice through small, intimate cohort of peers. We will take time to understand the themes of the text and theories of anti-bias, anti-racist teaching and apply it practically to our work as educators. This session is for anyone who is interested in taking the next step in integrating the personal anti-bias work you are doing already and applying it to your work as an educator in any context, whether you are a classroom teacher, an instructional coach, a paraprofessional, or even a member of the admin team. The structure of our sessions will follow this model of connect, deep dive, and apply and share. We will spend time to get to know your cohort members, their role in education, and then dive deeper into conversation regarding the themes of the text. The majority of the time, however, will be used to apply these ideas to your classroom. We will use a framework of questions to examine a classroom material of your choice, whether it is a syllabus, a lesson plan, a book list, part of a school policy, and more. You will then have time to use the framework to make revisions to your materials. We will finish the workshop by sharing and providing feedback to each other in a supportive manner. So how do you join? Register for the event using the Eventbrite page. You can find that on our website, theantibiaseducator.com. The cost is $70 for the pair of sessions, breaking down to about $35 a piece. Flexible pricing options are available. Any questions? Please reach out. We would love to hear from you. Feel free to email us or connect through any of our social media. Thank you so much. We hope you will join us. For more content and events from the Anti-Bias Educator, please join us on any of our social media platforms at the Anti-Bias Educator.